I will restore you, not just the parts you show the world, but the ones you've hidden, the parts you thought were ruined beyond repair. I know what you've lost. I know what was taken from you. I know the battles you've fought in silence. The ones that left invisible scars. I, Haven. T overlooked your pain, and I'm not done with your story. I don't just see the cracks. I move toward them. I don't reject the broken pieces. I redeem them. I'm not asking you to pretend it didn't hurt. I'm asking you to let me heal it. Let me into the places you've walled off. Let me touch the wounds still aching in the shadows of your heart. I'm not afraid of the damage. I am the God who restores what others leave behind. I bring beauty from ashes. I breathe life into dry bones. I turn mourning into dancing. What others abandoned, I will rebuild. What the enemy tried to destroy, I will use. For good, I see value in what feels worthless to you. You think it's too late, but I am outside of time. I restore years. I restore innocence. I restore hope. There is no trauma, no past, no mistake, no regret that is stronger than my grace, my child. I know the shame you carry. I know the cycles you've fought to break. I know the voices that told you, you'll never change. But I am not those voices. I speak a better word. You are not too far gone. I am restoring you from the inside out, not with shame, but with love. Restoration is not punishment. It is healing. It is grace in motion. I do not shame you into change. I love you into wholeness when I restore. I don't just return you to what you were. I make you stronger, deeper, freer. What the world calls broken, I call beautiful. You are not disqualified. The pain you went through is not the end of your story. It is the soil I'm using to grow something eternal. You've been waiting, wondering if healing will ever come. But I want you to know it has already begun. Every moment you trusted me. In the silence, I was working. Every tear you shed, I collected. Every prayer you whispered, I heard. I have not forgotten. Your pain, I have been forming something sacred in your suffering. You may feel delayed, but you are not denied. You are still in my hands. And my hands are full of mercy. I'm rebuilding what fear tried to tear down. I'm replacing what shame tried to steal. I'm giving back what you lost, but not just in quantity. In glory, what I restore, I transform. I am the potter. And you are not disposable clay. You are my masterpiece in progress. Even now, I am reshaping the deepest parts of you, with gentleness, with vision, with joy. Don't rush this. Healing is not a performance. Let me hold you while I heal you. Let me speak new truth into the places where old lies lived. You are not what happened to you. You are not what they did to you. You are not your worst day. You are mine, and what is mine, I restore. Even when others gave up on you, I stayed. Even when you gave up on yourself, I spoke life over you, and I'm still speaking it now. Rise, my beloved. You are not ruined. You are not forgotten. You are being rebuilt from the inside out, not into a version of someone else, but into the most radiant version of who I created you to be. You don't have to earn restoration, just stay close to me. Restoration begins with relationship, with sitting at my feet, trusting my touch, letting me love you back to life. Yes. There may still be scars, but they will not define you. They will glorify me. Because when others see the healed version of you, they'll know what I can do. I restore joy. I restore dreams. I restore hearts that were crushed. And yes, I restore people like you, so breathe again. You're safe here. The rebuilding has already begun.